Hello everyone, my name is Chindu. Today I am going to discuss about the applications of tools that I have talked earlier in my last videos about the AWS CLI, S3 and Board 3 and CloudFront. Now they are just concept, then how to use that in the critical automation and scalability performance in the cloud-based applications. Let's break down the appliances in their practices. First one, why the use of AWS CLI? AWS CLI is great what you need to automate repeated tasks for perform actions quickly without opening the console. It's especially useful in the DevOps workflows, infrastructure provisioning, and system administration. You can schedule commands, scripts, deployments, or integrate with CI or CD tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions. And because it's a terminal based, it's a fast and relatable. So the next one, why we use Bot 3 SDK. Bot 3 allows you to embed AWS actions directly inside your Python code. This is the ideal of your backend developers who wants to manage cloud resources dynamically, such as creating an S3 bucket when a user signing up for analyzing S3 logs from with a data pipeline. In this, it integrates while seniors in services like Lambda, making it very useful in the services applications in the automation scripts. The next slide, IAM and security best practices. When working with AWS tools, the security always been allows to follow the principle of privilege, meaning only give the exact permissions needed that you required for nothing more. Avoiding using that root account for the everyday task, instead of create IAM users and assign them roles. Also make sure that AWS credibly secure after the environment variables are using the AWS credentials files, never hardcore scores like in your scripts. What are the recommended tools that you have to use in the AWS? Here are the few tools that can make working in AWS even easier. The first one is AWS CloudTrail. Gives you a browser-based terminal with CLI already installed. CloudTrail helps track the API activity, which is a great for debugging and auditing. And of course, Python Bot 3 is a must-have for the accounting AWS workforce. Together, these are the tools that have saved time and reduced error. Then, what is the uses of S3? Amazon S3 is an incredible would be you can host static websites, or for example a blog or a portfolio site. It is also used for the storing backups or user upload content that you image or documents or even machine learning databases. So it's a scalability and highly durability that made it ideally almost for the data storage needed. And the next one, why we use Glacier for the archival. Glacier is used when you needed to store longer periods like comprehensive documents, historical records or logs. It's a very cost effective, but retrieval takes hours, which is the final data of your rarely access. And you can also automate the tradition from S3 from wide range of sources like lifecycle rules, which helps to reduce cost without even manual inventions. And the next one is CloudFront best practices. In this, when you're using the CloudFront, make sure you have to enable HTTPS to ensure that delivery. How you can catch files, impact CSS and JavaScripts that are edge locations to reduce local on your servers. It's a great for accelerating websites, APIs and media delivery, especially when integrated with S3. And the last What is security and monitoring? In security, it's a critical in S3 which should enable encryptions either SSS3 or simple encryptions like SSC KMS for more control. Make sure that you block public access unless you intentionally need to expose the bucket, like for plastic website. Also enables access logging and use CloudWatch to set up alerts for the unusual activity. This helps you to detect issues from any early risk. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep, share and subscribe.